Good morning, guys. Today is a Saturday. I just woke up. It's kind of like 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm looking rough. Well, here's the moral of the story. So lately I have been feeling really down and like just really not myself and just tired, but not like physically tired. I think I'm just like mentally tired and drained. So today I've decided to, wear some makeup, make myself feel good. My roommate and I are going to Costco, and then we're going to this place called the Salt Flats. There's really nothing spectacular about it except it's a bunch of salt on a flat piece of land that was like naturally made, I think. So we're gonna go do that. And for today's look, I am going to be testing out finally the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. This is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I'm going to be using the shade 14 Neutral. I did previously try to film this video, but I had gotten the shade, I believe, 13 Neutral, and that one was just like a hair too light for me. Like, I don't know, something was really wrong with it, so I decided to try 14 Neutral, see how that one goes. And yeah, so I'm going to be filming that for you guys today, and I'm going to be doing kind of vlog style, kind of like the way I did my Pat McGrath foundation review, just because I feel like you've seen me put on foundation 1,000,001 times, so I just kind of think sometimes making the reviews a vlog is a little bit more fun. But you guys let me know what your opinion on that is down below, of course. And I'm just gonna like give you guys a little bit of breakdown of what products I'm going to be using, just so you guys are aware of what's going on. So before we jump into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _it's Gillyy. So let's get to it. So as I mentioned before, this is the foundation I'm going to be trying out. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. Here we go. And then for primer, I'm going to be using the Milk Hydrogrip primer. I love this primer a lot, and I think it does a lot of wonders with me with the Pat McGrath foundation. And that one tends to be kind of like a more, like, it's not like, I don't know, I have oily skin, so if this works and it's with Pat McGrath, I think that this will work with this foundation as well. For powder, I am going to use my Laura Mercier powder and my Fenty powder. That's just not really on hand right now for me to show you. I might also use a little bit of my Farsali. I probably will. I haven't used this in forever, so let's just use it today, see what happens. And for concealer, I'm going all out and using Miss Pat McGrath today, and any other products that I used will be listed down below in the description. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take some zen time, play some good music, and like do my makeup, and then I will show you guys the end product. Maybe I'll film a little snippet here and there, but yeah, now you guys have the breakdown of what's gonna happen, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what my face is looking like after only applying the foundation. I mean, I have like eyebrows and eyes, but like this is just the foundation. I think that it looks really, really good. You can still see my pores, but like honestly, these things are so big. There's really no like blocking them. I did forget to use my Farsali per usual, but I did use my Milk Hydrogrip primer, and I'm pretty like I'm feeling good about the way this is looking, and this shade is definitely a way better match for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly finish up my face because time is running out against me because I dropped my eyelash glue on the floor because I'm such an idiot. But yeah, I'm really liking the way this is looking. I just wanted to come to some natural lighting so that you guys could really see like the full effect. Please don't mind my messy house in the background. Okay guys, so this is what my face is looking like at the end. Like I said, this is a great color match for me. I'm headed to Costco right now looking like this. This is a lot, but I'm just gonna do it because, you know, today's all about motivational Saturday, making myself feel good enough to like study. So yes, on the road we go. Oh my God, guys, we ran into a car show literally down the street from us, and now I'm about to kill people, and so Tanae is taking my phone. I'm not sure what's happening. This is so cool. And now this monster truck is coming towards me.
Yeah, what did he think was gonna happen?
I don't fucking know. Look at his big old thing. Look, don't make me hit these people's nice car, you little asshole.
You guys are getting the real Jill New on this vlog.
Look, they don't know my government name. Chill.
Well, good, then you can cut that part out.
Okay, wow, that was so cool. But why is the fire department here? I can't even take myself seriously. Okay, guys, so apparently, when you're driving on the left lane, that's only for passing. That's not for driving. So I have been driving in the left lane for like 30-40 minutes and nobody told me this, and I looked like an idiot because all these cars were passing me by. Oh God. It's okay, lesson learned. We're still on our way to the Salt Flats. Fun times. We saw the Salt Lake and it looked really cute. So we're excited. All right, guys, so we just got to the Salt Flats. My poor car barely made it. That car was not meant for driving fast, but you know, it made it. I'm so excited. I got Tanae's camera. We're about to be like having a little photo shoot, just nothing serious. Just want to get a cute, you know, some cute shots, see how it goes. But this is like kind of cool because it's just salt. Like, that's kind of cool, you know? But yeah, we'll take you along with us to go stand on the Salt Flats. This apparently is called the Great like Salt Lake Desert or something, but this is kind of cool, guys. Like, I'm impressed. I like this. All right, guys, we're about to walk onto the flats. Ah! I don't know why I'm so excited about this. Like, today is fixing her lips. And we really got dressed to do this, y'all.
Nothing else to do in quarantine.
This is hella like social distance, I'm just saying.
Wow, it's always like it got. Do you feel how much warmer it got as soon as we started?
Yeah. Yo, like, it just went up like 10 degrees when we got on this thing. Okay guys, so we're gonna go because apparently my eye hates me and I'm like crying. And look at all these horrible sunglass marks I have on my face. You know, this foundation, I'm really putting it to the test today, but I think it's holding up really well. And when I get home, I'm really gonna show you guys the final product because it's kind of gone through a lot and it's literally only 2:30 in the afternoon. But yeah, we're gonna head back because we're hungry. I haven't eaten today. I only had a muffin. Wow, look, Tanae and I just bought these little necklaces from this man selling stuff from the Navajo Nation. Super cute stuff. And it's like all handmade. Oh, this is gorgeous. Love this. Okay guys, so this is my final check-in of the day. It is currently 5:41 p.m. And this is what my face is looking like. I think, you know, it looks pretty good. I've been wearing this foundation since 8 o'clock in the morning. So we're almost at like a good 8 hours-ish. So I think it really held up really, really well. Let me step out of the sun for a little bit. So as you can tell, I am pretty oily in the center of my face. But the foundation like really didn't crack or anything. And honestly, like I really put this foundation to the test. So I'm not particularly upset about this amount of oiliness because I really can just wipe it off, or sorry, not wipe it off. All of a sudden I'm winded. Not wipe it off, but I could just, you know, blot my face and all of this oil would basically be gone. This foundation just wore really, really well. Like there's no cracking, even though like my under eyes kind of look bad because when we were on the Salt Flats, my eyes like were watering like super bad. So that was like, you know, unavoidable. But everything else, like the rest of my face looks like really, really good. I really am just oily in the center of my face, but that's neither here nor there. Ultimately, I would definitely recommend this foundation if you have like normal, dry, or oily skin, because I just think it wears really, really well. And I mean, after like 8 hours of wearing a foundation and it's hot and I've been doing stuff, I think that these results look really, really good. You guys let me know what you guys think below about how this foundation was wearing. I'm sure you guys saw my face like throughout the day as I was like doing stuff. So let me know how it like, you know, wore and what you think of it. Just so you guys know, I do put my other foundation shades in the description bar below, just in case you're wondering like, I wonder like what's my true foundation shade. You can compare with the one I chose for today and then all the other ones that I wear and see if that would be kind of in your skin tone range. But yeah, that's it for me. I'm gonna go take off my face, take a shower, and go study because I have been avoiding studying all day and I just, you know, kind of needed today to reset, like just wind down and do something fun, which today was really, really fun. Like I literally just went to a bed of salt, but I don't know, I thought that was exciting. And on the way there, we saw Morton's salt factory. So that was like super exciting. But anywho, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. And I'll see you guys next time.